Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette with a 427. And I'll read from the seller's statement. And the seller stated, matching numbers 427 big block car, has air conditioning and a 4-speed. And he didn't mention the mileage, and I either forgot to write it down or I lost it. But it was a beauty. Red, looks to be red leather interior. Once again, seller didn't mention it, so I'm not 100% sure. And it sold for $81,600 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure, with the bright red paint and the bright red interior. And this one had the 427 with the 390 horsepower, which was the hydraulic cam engine, same one they used in the SS 427 Impalas. But it was good for using air conditioning and for driving around town. It was a lot more usable. Just kind of stay out of drag races, though you might lose with this guy. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette big block with a 427 with 390 horsepower with a 4-speed and red leather interior, knockoff wheels, side pipes, beauty. And it sold for $81,600 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.